Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now before we get started, I'd like to invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Now my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. They are accomplished internet marketers with years of experience behind their belt. So click on the first link in that description below to see what they're all about. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus will show you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So every Friday, every week, you'll get over 12,000 free traffic sources. Here's your chance to grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high-valued gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer at a higher price, and you pocket the difference. You become the middleman between the Fiverr and your product. Bonus number 3, you will learn how to create a passive income, and this is the crucial thing. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. You will gain up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day running the whole system. Now you receive a done-for-you, a high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now in a nutshell, if you grab this product, you will receive an exclusive PLR to a fresh report that uncovers how easy it really is to plant, grow, and cook from your very own natural herb garden. The vendor of this program is Jason O'Sickle, and he hails from Canada and has at least 75 products to his credit. His PLR sales always fly off the map, and so get it while it's hot. He also has a program for PLR dealers, so watch out for that one. Now, this product will give you over 5 a word report that you can give away. It's mobile ready, and the lead can capture and deliver pages. It's professional product with several graphical images. It's an edible source file, which is included, I should say, so you can edit it and change it to your liking. It's fully rebandable, PLR rights included, and you can start collecting leads within an hour. And you can begin to download the whole document instantly. The sales funnel looks something like this. The natural herb formula, PLR, is $6.97. A great deal. Now, there are 5 OTOs. There's a natural herbs formula unrestricted PLR for $17.07. There's a PLR Dealer Elite membership trial for $2.99, and that's for the first 29 days, and then after that, it's $17 a month. There's no TO3, which is unrestricted PLR glycemic index formula for $17.97. And there is a 24 unrestricted PLR lead magnets for $88.07, and an unrestricted PLR bundle for $48.22. Now watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you'll also get less product. Now if you want to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 4 bonuses, because they will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and become a middleman and pocket the difference. They'll show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.